It's day 3, baby.
This isn't even a ceiling. It's just like
we just finished with 2 classes. It was pretty crazy. And now we're going to crawfish.
Wait, we just finished with 3 classes.
Now we're gonna go eat. We're all starving. It's raining.
What are we eating?
Hot and juicy crawfish, baby.
Yeah, I know.
Honestly,
we need a teleprompter.
Dude, yeah.
You know, like, what's the exciting part? It opens when?
In like 20
In
minutes.
20 minutes.
Okay, Ethan, you're just gonna do this.
Okay, so it opens in, yeah, actually 23 minutes. So we got some time. It's just across the street. It's raining though, so I think we're gonna run.
no.
Yeah.
Yes.
No.
I'm gonna
Andy
run
doesn't
because I
run.
don't want to be wet.
Okay.
And then we'll just stand like out front because there's a little like.
Outrun the raindrops. Yeah.
And we're getting the hot and juicy flavor when we get the big
Yeah, we're getting the
bag.
spicy.
It's gonna be like camping out to get the new iPhone, you know?
Yes. Or we're camping out to get hot and juicy.
Yeah.
It's gonna be lit.
Probably more worth it than the iPhone, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, honestly, I'd rather have this than the iPhone.
Yeah, I'm hyped.
Yeah. All right, let's go.
I got awakened, dude. The drool was the fool up in here.
This man was dying from the spice.
Dude, I
He
was.
dead.
No, and then I got reawakened.
Oh yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
please, thank you.
Yeah,
It was really good.
Ethan,
if they have birthday cake ice cream.
how was that?
it was really good. It was really spicy. I'm still hungry. So like I don't know what to do about that, but like what are you doing? But it was so good. Crawfish was awesome.
Thank you.
Yeah, it was great.
I had nowhere to rest my elbows.
If I remember correctly, last time it was also very good. But I forgot we only got spicy last time. We were about to get extra spicy. That would have been bad time.
A bad time.
A bad time. Really good. I
Yeah?
rate it.
How many crawfish? 73.70.
Oh.
Because we got the wings.
Okay, just, yeah. Okay, so.
I rate it 9.6 crawfish heads.
That's good. That's good. Out of 10? That's good. Okay, Dash. Outside the restaurant review, like,
That was.
indescribable, right?
It really
like, insane.
was.
You have
It
to.
was so
You have to
fire.
come here to know.
You really do.
It was,
And
yeah. The flavors. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to make an appearance because I'm so into it. The flavors, the experience of just having a big old bag just sauced on your table.
And they
insane.
give you a bib. And they give you gloves.
You get complimentary bib and gloves.
It was
I'll be
so
keeping
good.
those style statement. But like, the whole thing is just
Yeah, the whole experience.
Amazing.
The calamari was probably my favorite part. Honestly,
Really?
it was so
Really?
good. I really
Amazing.
liked the calamari.
amazing.
That was really
The
good.
cake.
Vlogging, bro.
I think I like the shrimp the best out of all of them. Shrimp, then calamari, because you got that fiery, nice flavor.
It's so hot, I couldn't enjoy it. I was just
No, dude, you could.
Yeah,
taste
these
it,
men
even though it was that
all
body
died.
struggling.
All
I
died.
I was struggling
Yeah.
all
hard.
died.
I haven't struggled eating spicy food
Dude,
for
we
a while.
all got
Yeah.
awakened.
It's okay.
there's Baskin
It's because they went straight for the water. Water doesn't help, bro.
No, water makes.
I drank no water. Easy money, dude.
He was just
Easy
calm
money.
and composed.
Yeah, exactly.
All right,
if you get
Baskin-Robbins.
your adrenaline pumping, you just go and say hi.
School dropouts.
Follow me on Instagram, Andy.fan, PHANNN.
Charlie, you're peeing. And I'm saying hi. Hi, Charlie.
Disgusting looking and grainy.
I know, right? Okay, guys, this is the last
This
thing
is it. This is
before
our
we
departure.
board.
Our
Not the
departure.
train, but the bus.
Not even a coach
It's
bus.
DC, baby.